Hello everyone. Today is yet another SIG OpenStack meeting. Today is Wednesday, May 3rd. Unfortunately, we don't have the high volume of attendance here. Some of them are at the Red Hat Summit, as Steve is. So we also don't have so many items to discuss today. We mostly will review some PRs and issues from GitHub. At the same time, I'd like to remind you that OpenStack Summit is happening next week together with Kubernetes Day in scope of the OpenStack Summit. So I hope to see you all there in Boston. So let me share my screen with the items discussed with our agenda. So as I told before, we have only a few items. So first of all, that is the PR and issue review. Yeah, let's go for and take a brief look. So there is a pull request regarding load balancers. Is there any person who is aware of this one and would like to discuss? Okay, so I see that Angus Lees has been actively working on this item and currently is waiting for some response from Legit. So it seems that it's a good shape and it has to be enhanced after. Yeah, we also have several issues that Steve and I would have labeled after the previous meetings. There's one item that's related to OpenStack Cinder. So is there any person who would like to discuss these items as well? I don't see any significant progress during the last 2 weeks, but probably someone is aware of this one.
Yeah, I haven't been able to look at many of these pull requests just between DockerCon and getting ready for this summit. I've been a bit overloaded.
Okay. Okay, it would be great if someone will take a look as well there. I see that this item overlaps together with the scope of SIG storage, so probably we have to collaborate with them on discussing the issue. Yeah, we see also OpenStack Cinder storage class, OpenStack load balancer servers. Let me take a look here. Okay, I see this one is in good shape because Angus has updated this. Any comments on this item? Okay. We also had several issues that related to OpenStack Heat. Well, speaking about OpenStack Heat, there were some discussions in the community that kube scripts are going to be deprecated soon, as it already happened for AWS bootstrapping with kube scripts since 1.6 or 1.5, I don't remember exactly. So as we have discussed in the previous meeting, we may try to relate a different approach for deploying OpenStack clusters for deploying Kubernetes clusters with OpenStack on top of OpenStack and relate tools like Cargo or something like that. I suppose we may discuss that next week at the OpenStack Summit during the forum session. It could be one of the most important items, as Steve mentioned there. Yeah, and yeah, app controller is an item that has been implemented by Mirantis in the separate repo. It's not a part of core Kubernetes. It's not targeting core of Kubernetes anymore. So we may say that this item is not not so important for Kubernetes itself. I will take a look into this later and probably will may close it. Yeah, we also have several items that may qualify for our SIG OpenStack scope. Yeah, I see that there is an active conversation, but yeah, probably we may review this item later. Probably someone has any feedback on this one. Someone has been looking at.
It sounds like one of the issues we've had with Cinder for a long time, that it just doesn't give up a mount very easily.
Yeah, it looks like. So probably we may also discuss this question together with SIG storage if they have any interest in enhancing Cinder space as well together with us. Well, there is a networking issues with Flannel D. Not so many information. Probably we have to ask may dive deeper into this one. The same is with this one. It looks like OpenStack is only the underlay provider, but no OpenStack specific issues. It's pure Kubernetes item. Yeah, I would say that the same here as well. So it's not related to OpenStack itself. This item is probably can be related to OpenStack, and also there are some issues with not partner with networking provider. Yeah, it's more the pure networking issue, not related to OpenStack itself as well. You may forward this to SIG networking. Yeah, we have only one PR that has been submitted since the last meeting. It's also related to Cinder. Is there anyone who has been already reviewing this? I see there is an active conversation, mostly with Angus from our side. I say it's fine. So Angus has confirmed that it can be merged. So yeah, let's wait for the final step. Well, there are also some different items with stateful sets. Oh yeah, one. So with LBS. Graham, I see that you have been commenting to this pull request, so probably may have any extra information have you been reviewing after that?
it looks like it does everything that was in the PR that I linked and covers another code path as well, from what I remember. My problem is
Yes.
I don't have a test bed anymore to actually test it.
Yeah, okay. I see also that this is kind of also more than 1 month since the latest update.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's wait for the first steps from the initiator. Again, load balancer support. It's your pull request, Graham.
Yeah, unfortunately, it was written before Angus merged the Go for Cloud change. So
Okay, so what we're going to do with this?
I will probably end up deleting it and starting it again. But again, I don't have a test bed to test this. The change itself is actually pretty invasive, so I'd want to do some a lot of testing for actually merging it.
Okay.
If you look at it, it restructures the entire load balancer section of the.
Okay. Okay. So let's leave it as is right for now. Yeah, it seems that this one is related to. Oh yeah, we've been looking at here. So yeah, this pull request is also approved by Angus. So yeah, it's fine. It has to be merged by that. The next one is kind of old PR with the long history. It's almost half a year since now, with an ability to use Cinder separately from OpenStack itself for Kubernetes. Yeah, no progress also for more than 1 month. Okay. And yet another PR that can be related to OpenStack area as well. It's fine. Yeah, so Angus has confirmed. So it's several enhancements for Gopher Cloud. Yeah, that's all from the items that we have on GitHub. Any questions for now? Extra questions that we haven't discussed?
So I have a general question regarding the project. How is that related to the OpenStack Helm project? The whole work.
Well, we're closely working with OpenStack Helm, and as far as I know, Chris is actively participating in OpenStack Helm meetings, so probably Chris may provide us more information regarding the level of collaboration between OpenStack Helm and Kubernetes in this area.
Okay.
Yeah, this SIG is kind of split into two focuses. One of which we still need to kind of schedule and retake off. But so these PRs relate to running Kubernetes on top of OpenStack, and so these are managing the provider, the OpenStack provider that's inside of the Kubernetes code base. OpenStack Helm is one of the several projects that are trying to install OpenStack on top of Kubernetes. And so we're actually going to have a number of different sessions at the OpenStack Summit. Some things that are being put on by the OpenStack Helm people, by the Cola Kubernetes people. A panel that I think I'm going to be leading. I think the person that I was supposed to work with on that is not able to attend. Yeah, so does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other questions for now? Okay, so just again a reminder, so we'll have OpenStack Summit next week, and we are going to have several sessions and several meetings there, so please check the schedule. Please find the Kubernetes talks and Kubernetes presentations and Kubernetes sessions at Forum. One of them will happen on next Wednesday. Also, please join us for Kubernetes Day that will happen next Tuesday, also in Boston. So,
Okay.
yeah, thank you for today. It was really fast and pure meeting. We are going to have more updates after OpenStack Summit next week, in 2 weeks. So if you're not going to attend Summit, we'll have much more information in 2 weeks after now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.